Hi everyone, I am Roshni and today with the Property Cloud, we are going to talk about a premium residential project in Bengaluru's fast growing North Corridor. The name of this project is Brigade Eternia located on Yelhanka Main Road. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So now let's start with a quick overview of the project. Brigade Eternia is a thoughtfully planned high-rise residential community ideal for buyers who want a peaceful, green lifestyle without compromising on city connectivity. The project is spread across approximately 14 acres and offers around 1124 well-planned homes across 12 towers. The structure goes up to 2 basement plus ground plus 13 to 14 floors, and what really stands out is that nearly 80% of the space is open and green. The entire design focuses on ventilation, open spaces, and a comfortable community living experience. Coming to the location part, so Yelhanka is one of the North Bengaluru's fastest developing areas, especially because of its proximity to the airport corridor and major IT hubs. From the project, RMZ Galleria Mall is just about 2 minutes away. Yelhanka Junction railway station is around 9 minutes away. Hebbil is about 10 minutes. Sparsh Hospital is within 12 minutes and the Manyata Tech Park is roughly 15 minutes away. The airport is also accessible in around 30 minutes. Overall, it's a location that works well for both end users and investors, especially considering rental demand and future appreciation. In terms of lifestyle, the project offers a well-rounded set of amenities designed for everyday living. There is a central landscape courtyard along with a multiple green zone, a modern clubhouse with over 40 amenities, a swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, badminton and squash court. It's designed as a complete ecosystem where fitness, recreation and relaxation are all available within the community. And when it comes to the configuration, there are multiple options depending on your needs. The 1 BHK units range from about 700 to 800 square feet with a price starting from around 1.06 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK regal units starting from 1620 to 1700 square feet, price starting at approximately 2.35 crore rupees onwards. While the 3 BHK royal units are slightly larger, ranging from 1820 to 2000 square feet, starting around 2.67 crore rupees onward. And there are also 3.5 BHK options between 2100 to 2250 square feet, price starting from 3.23 crore rupees onward. Larger 4.5 BHK homes ranging from 2700 to 2950 square feet, starting at approximately 4.17 crore rupees onwards. The layouts are spacious, well planned and designed to make efficient use of space. As for the booking process, it's quite structured since this is a newly launched project. You can start by submitting an expression of interest along with a token amount, which allows you to block your preferred configuration early. Once inventory is officially released, unit allotment happens based on EOI priority. Typically, around 10% of the booking amount is required at the time of confirmation, after which the agreement of sales is executed. The remaining payments are then made in stages linked to construction milestones. Entering at this stage usually gives you better pricing and more choices in terms of units. So if you're looking for a premium, well-connected and future-ready residential option in North Bangalore, then this project is definitely worth considering. For brochure details, pricing or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And for more such premium property videos, don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.